So today I'm going to speak a little bit about protein and the types of proteins and why. Utilizing protein is very good to do about 30 minutes after you work out, because that's when you begin to break down your muscle to use in amino acids. You don't want to break your muscle down too much. We want to build muscle up. So we take in those amino acids from our proteins so that we can help our bodies build up muscle. When you're looking for a protein, look for ones with the least amount of ingredients. And so you don't want a bunch of additive things. And you want the least amount of sugar, because sugar is going to actually trigger your brain, and your brain is going to want to desire more sugar. And actually, sugar combined with the protein, you may actually be building up more fat. We don't want to do that. So I take 1 scoop of the protein and I put it into my mixer. Now sometimes I will use an egg. If you use an egg, then you need to make sure, and you're using a raw egg, that's organic eggs, and that you clean the outside of the shell first. So the outside of the shell needs to be cleaned. I usually will clean it with hydrogen peroxide because that kills and destroys most bugs. Then I use some organic whole whipping cream. I'll use some water. I like mine slushy, kind of like a milkshake. So I'll add ice to it. So the ice is amazing, and this will make it taste very good and very smooth. So let's put our lid on and let's make it up. Okay, so now we have a nice, kind of like a milkshake. It's awesome. To your health.